Hello everyone! Today, we will learn about energy. Meet Philip, Louis, and Diana. They're all looking so tired. How about we give them some healthy food? Yay! They all have energy now. It means we can do anything if we have energy. So, energy is the power or the ability to make something work. Even machines need the energy to work. Let's see where energy comes from. Energy comes from a variety of sources that can be divided into two types. Renewable sources of energy are the ones that come from natural sources and are constantly replenished. For example, the energy derived from wind, sun, and the water. Non-renewable sources of energy are limited and not replenished easily. For example, coal and natural gas. Energy exists in many different forms. All the forms of energy are divided into two categories: potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is also called stored energy, whereas kinetic energy is also called moving energy. For example, when the bow is stretched and the arrow is drawn, it has the potential energy to work. But when the arrow is released, the arrow moves and gets kinetic energy. There are different forms of potential energy. For example, chemical energy is the energy stored in chemical substances, like in a battery and food. Nuclear energy is the atomic energy released during nuclear fusion or fission. Mechanical energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its position, like a compressed spring and a stretched rubber band. Gravitational energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its position in the gravitational field, like fruits falling from a tree on their own or a child sliding down a slide. There are different forms of kinetic energy. For example, radiant energy is the energy emitted as electromagnetic waves. For example, X-rays and solar energy. Electrical energy is the energy caused by moving electric charges. For example, an electric lamp and lightning. Thermal energy is the energy generated and measured by heat. For example, cooking food on a stove and heat from a hot coffee. Motion energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion, for example, a windmill. Sound energy is the energy generated due to the vibration of an object. For example, the sound created by playing the guitar and speaking loudly. the different forms of energy can be converted into each other. For example, the chemical energy of food can be converted into mechanical energy that helps us to work and play. The mechanical energy of the windmill is converted into electrical energy by turbines. The electrical energy at home is converted into thermal energy to cook food, and the mechanical energy of beating a drum is converted into sound energy. When used, energy does not disappear anywhere. Let's understand this with an example. Plants absorb sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make food. The food has stored chemical energy. This chemical energy is used by living beings to grow. The fossil fuels derived from plants and animals are used as fuel for vehicles. Vroom! When the vehicles move, they produce sound energy, thermal energy, and other particles that are released into the air. It means energy changes from one form to another. Hence, it is said that energy is neither created nor destroyed. Let's see another example of how the potential energy of a ball is converted into the electrical energy of a fan. Here is one more example of how mechanical energy could be converted into electrical energy at home. Do you have other DIY examples for energy conversions? Please share your experiments in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Always remember to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Goodbye and thank you.